Marahin na hapon sa Indong Gabos, mga kasurog. At muling kaming nagbabalik dito pa rin po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid pa rin po sa inyo ni Congressman Sal Dico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. We are in our last matchup of the day sa ating Day 13 ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Sa mga bagong dating dyan, dito sa covered court, welcome po sa inyong lahat na mga galing pa sa iba't ibang distrito ng Albay para lang po makapanood ng mga ganitong matchup. Thank you po sa mainit na suporta sa atin ng Mayor ng Bayan ng Daraga. Ayan, Mayor Alwin Baldo. And if we are making history, you're already a part of it. We are still live and alive here sa Daraga Covered Court dito pa rin sa bayan na umaarangkada. Walang iba kundi ang bayan ng Daraga, Albay. And we now head on sa ating huling laro ngayong hapon as we take a look at the players of both teams. Let's first start with Patrick Salting of Pulangi. And si Marvin Vinos naman of Piuduran. Sino kaya sa mga players na ito ang magbibitbit sa kanilang mga team para sa panalo? Magandang hapon once again. Ako tabi si Kapa Morgan and kasama ko po sa mga oras na to. Siyempre, walang iba kundi si Coach Kyle Marilla.
And magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito pa rin po kami para sa ating live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022 and we are down to our final game dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup, dito sa Saturday special ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And itong ang laban na ito between Pulangi and Piuduran. This is a must win for Team Pulangi if they want to keep their hopes alive dito sa ating torneo. And right now, Piuduran is looking for another win para madagdagan niya ang kanilang winning column dito sa ating torneo.
Ayan, huling laro nga ng mga taga 3rd District bago mag-second round sa ating tournament, who will advance to the next round.
Between Pulangi versus Piuduran. Presenting the first five of Piuduran. Shooting guard, Carl, jersey number 3. Shooting guard, Venus, jersey number 4. Power guard, Sutsot, jersey number 8. Forward, Odiada, jersey number 22. And center, we have Espanyol, jersey number 28. And here is the first five of Pulangi. Shooting guard, De La Cruz, jersey number 13. Lumberio, jersey number 18. Center, Mondragon, jersey number 19. Power forward, Gonzalez, jersey number 24. Small forward, Zabater, jersey number 22. Both teams, good luck.
And ito na nga po ang bakbakan ng Pulangi versus Piuduran dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup.
From SBBLI, we have the crew chief, Alfredo de los Puyos. Umpire 1, Francisco de la Torre. Umpire 2, Mark Nahe.
And para po sa ating mga starters, De La Cruz for Pulangi, Lomberio, Sabater, Gonzalez, Mondragon, and sa Piuduran naman, Sodsod, Cao, Venus, Odiada, and Espanyol. And we are about to tip off it's between Espanyol and Mondragon. Napunta ang bola sa mga taga Pulangi. Lomberio to De La Cruz. Quick pass sa ilalim para kay Gonzalez. Wala. Napunta ngayon ang mga bola sa mga taga Piuduran with Espanyol making that happen. Sodsod to Venus, launching a 3, and that's good para sa ating first blood sa laban na ito. Pulangi again, kalaban ngayon ang Piuduran.
Venus starting again with a strong start dito sa ating ball game.
Yes indeed, coach, and ginantihan naman yung kaagad ni Mondragon sa kabilang banda, sa banda ng mga taga Pulangi. De La Cruz finds Gonzalez. Wala. Pero nandun ang kanyang kakampi, si Sabater. And
Jersey number 3, holding foul. First personal foul, first team foul.
This will be the last game of Team Pulangi here in our first round, and they badly needed this ball game to seal their position sa ating team standing. That will be crucial if they're going to lose this game.
may magiging hindi magandang epekto yon para sa kanila. Although they're one of the top teams na masasabi natin sa kartada natin ngayon. Lomberio dishing out to De La Cruz, making that triple mula sa corner. Sodsod. Giving it out to Cao. Cao launching a three. Wala. Sabater for the rebound. Now Lomberio ang may tanga ng bola para sa mga taga-Pulangi. Sabi niya, sandali. Now giving it to Gonzales. Gonzales umatake. Ipinasa kay Sabater. Pero Sabater failing or missing that one. Once again, it's Venus. Napunta kay Sodsod. And that triple from that smallest guy sa ating matchup na ito.
Right now, the three-pointers of Team Puduran is clicking very early dito sa ating ball game.
Lomberio. Outlet pa sana for Mondragon. Pero ganun kabibilis ang mga taga-Pulangi like De La Cruz. And now Lomberio is shooting another three. Wala. Yon ang battle sa loob. Pero nagwagi doon si De La Cruz. Putting it up and in for Pulangi. Sodsod. Outlet pass uli to Venus. Almost making that triple. Mondragon passing it to the running De La Cruz on that play, pero that was deflected. The ball went out of bounds. Kaya sa mga taga-Pulangi pa rin, coach, mapupunta ang bola. Ano ang feeling mo, coach, na isa lang ang lamang ng Pulangi sa Puduran?
This is surprising on the part of Team Puduran because they are starting very well dito sa ating ball game, and again, they have to control the rebounds with Espanyo underneath, and they have to continue what they're doing sa kanilang opensa. Orchestrating on top is Espanyo, I mean in the middle.
There goes that beautiful connection between Mondragon and De La Cruz. Layo ng pasang na yun ni Mondragon. Ayan, umatake si Espanyo, pero nandun si Mondragon. That cost him to travel.
And we have seen a good matchup here. Mondragon kontra kay Espanyo.
Mga pader ang maglalaban-laban na naman sa ilalim. Sodsod. Tumatakbo ng mabilis. Tinira na lang yon. And mukhang nagmadali doon sa play na yon itong si Sodsod.
And playing right now is Justin De La Cruz, one of my top 6 most efficient guards dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mondragon attacking the basket. And he was fouled while putting it up.
Jersey number 4, illegal use of hand. First personal foul, second team foul.
Mondragon missing on that one. And making the second one. By the way, shout out po sa Mayor ng Puduran, Mayor Alan Arandia, and Vice Mayor Marvin Thomas Quiros. And kay Eve Allen Arandea, their sponsor. Magandang hapon po. LGU Puduran and the people of Puduran. Salamat daw po for supporting Team Puduran dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Robin Cao to Venus. Yes, it's good. Pero ayun na naman ang mga taga-Pulangi. Lomberio launching a 3. Yes!
This hot shooting Lumberio, if he missed the first 2 shots, pero definitely the third one, you cannot leave this man open.
And so was that guy, Odiada. You cannot just leave him controlling that ball inside. Pero yun, gumanti ka agad itong si Lumberio.
That's the second 3-point shot of Lumberio.
Oh, that's a consecutive 3-pointers for that guy.
He missed 2 shots consecutively, pero binawi din naman niya ng dalawang sunod na 3 points.
Oo. Maganda kung ganun, ano? Pero mukhang gusto rin bumawi sana ni Odiada, pero medyo malakas yung tira niya. Pero nandun si Robin Cao and si Venus. And the ball will go to Pulangi. So, 6 na po ang hinahabol o ang lamang nitong as we take a look at Love pass. There goes Venus making that one for Puduran. Ayan na naman ang long 3. Pero wala. Makakabawi kaya siya? O titingnan natin mamaya. Lomberio. Now to Sodsod sa opposing team. Venus.
You have to look for Espanyo.
Yes, you have to give him that ball inside. Pero they opt to shoot those threes. Lomberio now sidestepping. Nope. Nakuha ni Espanyo ang rebound. Now Sodsod trying his range. Nope.
Right now, we are seeing in a fast-paced ball game. Everybody is attacking.
Walang napasahan doon ng tama itong si Mondragon. Talagang yun ang gusto niyang gawin. Aatake siya and he will turn but definitely will pass. Kaya lang nawala na yung papasahan niya doon sa area na kung saan nakita niyang huli bago siya umikot. Lomberio, mabilis. Titira. Yun, sabi mo nga coach. Bumabawi. Nag-miss siya kanina and then right now bumawi siya. So coach, napapansin ko na parang both teams mahilig tumira sa labas sa ngayon. Ano ang indication nito, coach?
Yeah, they want to start well from the 3-point area. They want to find the rhythm early in this ball game. But right now, Team Pulangi is the one being successful in risking those shots, stopping the break and taking the long-range 3-point shot.
Definitely. Kaya nga sila ay lamang sa labang ito. Pero in this particular play, hindi 3-point ang kinana nila. Hindi. Magandang pasa ni Lomberio to De La Cruz. Again, ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa. And also brought to you in part by Bisibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Matatagpuan po sa Cagraray Island, Bakakay, Albay.
Na-miss ko Misibis bigla Been there once.
Parang may naaalala ka nung narinig mo yung Misibis, ano?
Oo, sana makabalik ulit dyan sa Misibis with the production team.
Who knows?
Malay mo, yung mga team building ganyan, di ba?
Pwede.
Talaga mga shoot dyan ang mga team building.
Oo, isa sa mga magandang venues for those activities. Itong Bisibis Bay.
And Principe checking in for the ball game pero nagparamdam ka agad with that fast break point sa kanya.
Cao for Puduran. Wala yung tirang yon ni Adjada sa corner. Sodsod finds Cao sa labas. Wala. Matulis yung tirang yun at short. Ayan na naman ang fast break play. ng Pulangi from Mondragon to the Principe.
And slowly, Team Pulangi is breaking away
Oo.
dito sa Team Piodoran. This is already a 13-point ball game.
Now Espanyo connects. We rarely see that kind of play sa quarter na ito. We only have 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining sa ating pong first quarter action between Piodoran and Pulangi. Venus. Kauto Espanyo.
Yun ang sinasabi ko
Oo.
na opensa ng Piodoran. Pero if you are not going to defend the transition offense of Pulangi, it will definitely hurt you.
Oo, wala din mangyayari. So dapat double effort din ang kailangan nitong Piodoran to match up against this Pulangi team. Ayan na naman si Lumbirio. De La Cruz, muntik na. Sobrang bilis talaga ng mamang to. Ito naman si Sudsod. Pasa sa kanyang kakamping si Venus. Sidestepping, nope. Pero nandun siya to save his own miss. Principe. Blocked. Clear block mula kay Espanyo. Now balik kay Espanyo ang bola. Sa harap si Mondragon. Yun ang maganda naman kay Espanyo kasi meron siyang perimeter shooting.
That's a 6-2 run on the Piodoran.
Oo. So right now, siyam na lang po ang kalamangan. And this portion is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. And then again, abangan nyo po, soon to open, Willie and Sons Kamalig. Venus launches a triple, nope. Aware si Lomberio sa game clock na meron tayo. We only have 10 seconds. Principe launching his own version of a triple. Wala. Meron pang time para sa mga taga Piodoran pero that pass from Odiada was intercepted. At yan na po nagtatapos ang ating unang quarter of action. Pulangi versus Piodoran. Pulangi nakakalamang 31-20. End of first quarter. Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Magbabalik po kami.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Nagbabalik po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022 kasama si Kapa Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla giving you this coverage of this tournament magmula noong day 1 and now we're on our day 13th. Ito na nga, nag-aagawan ang kampo ng Pulangi at ng Piodoran. Salting making that one. Salting was the best player of the game sa kanilang last outing.
Again, that pesty defense of Team Pulangi.
Yan na si Laguna.
Tignan mo, yung Team Pulangi, everybody is running. Even
Oo.
Laguna starting leading that break.
And dahil these guys are having fresh legs from off the bench. While yung Piodoran, ang bago lang nasalta sa kanila ay itong si Austero. Espanyo attacking. And yes,
Through the needle is Espanyo, escaping to the two defense of Pulangi, two-guy defense of Pulangi.
they have to take that advantage na wala si Mondragon ngayon sa laro. Nasa labas, nasa bench. Pero si Torres, doubling his effort. So nandun din ang doubled effort sa rebound sana nitong si Ojada. Kaya lang, ayun, ang masakit doon, na-steal na i-convert pa into a three-pointer courtesy of the Principe. Now it's Cao for Piodoran in the middle. Ojada.
Nice
Ibanez,
pass.
nice pass.
Nice pass.
Nice find there from Ibanez to Espanyo.
I can see the smile on the face of the head coach of Team Piodoran, loving the action.
And yun na nga, mga puntos na nakita natin recently is made by this big man of Piodoran, Espanyo. Ayan si Ojada umatake. Kick out pass to Austero. And that's a good one. Good jumper from the number 29 of Piodoran. Salting spinning, giving it to that number 4 guy of Pulangi, Romero. Cao to Austero. And well, this portion is being brought to you by Inco Tools. Inco Tools, Legazpi, Naga, and Sorsogon. Kalidad na abot kayang tools, mabibili na sa Inco Tools sa mga paborito mong Inco stores dito sa Bicol. Inco, make the world in your hands. Laguna dropping it in.
And right now, this is already a 16-point ball game.
So tama kaya coach na they will take advantage utilizing Espanyo sa middle para makapag-create ng mas magagandang opportunities.
Yeah, kung ikaw ang Team Piodoran, just like that, you have to capitalize the presence of Espanyo without Mondragon to guard him. Yun na lang ang last option mo, and wait to the defense of Team Pulangi to react with the ball on the hand of Espanyo. And Espanyo is a good passer. Kaya yung mga wingman, yung mga nasa corner must be ready to take the 3-point shot.
Just in case mahirapan siya na umatake sa loob, ano. Pero mukhang sa laki niya at sa experience, kagaya niyan, talagang medyo short nga lang yung tirang yon, pero makikita natin na kayang-kaya niya na ma-manage ang ganong mga moves papasok sa basket. The meantime, Principe was fouled while going strong to the hoop. And we have a substitution. Acoyado checking in for Austero. And this portion is being brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Tagraray Island, Bakakay Albay.
And a typical team building place.
Yes,
Ha?
yes it is. Napakagandang lugar yan para sa mga recollection,
Yes.
mga family gathering. Kung gusto mo lang talaga mag-relax. Nota. Nagkaroon ng banggaan doon. Torres and Cao. At naapektuhan yung pasa ni Cao for Acoyado. And eto na ang team ng Pulangi. They're leading it 45-28. Torres to Salting. Salting to Torres. Torres Nahanap si Romero. Balik sa kanya yung bola. He has to shoot. Nope. Pero almost a rebound. Offensive rebound by Romero. Pero hindi niya nakuha. Nota! Sidestepping. Pero he was fouled by Laguna.
And again, the question right now for the Team Pioduran, how long can Espanyol last in this ball game? Because the way he attacked the defense of Pulangi, talagang mauubusan siya ng energy because the defense of Pulangi is focusing on him. Talagang every shot is well challenged on the part of Espanyol. Yung mga yo-yo lang na layup na yun, mauubusan ka ng gasolina eh.
Definitely.
Because you're going to put a lot of effort.
And a lot of concentration, syempre. Salting to Romero. Romero giving it to Laguna. Wala yung tirang yon ni Laguna. Pero nandun si Torres. Yes. Not bad for that opportunity by Pulangi on that particular possession. Nota hesitates to shoot from the behind the arc. And naipit siya doon sa baseline. Pero mananatili sa kanila yung bola. Cao finds Espanyol. Malalim yon pero almost.
But not quite.
But not quite once again.
Very in sync tayo dun ah.
Oo. Prinsipe. Parang bahala na shot yun eh. Pero pumasok pa din. Espanyol attacking. Using his left, nope.
Kahit ganun yung tira doon ni Prinsipe, ang importante ay nadala niya na ang kalamangan nito sa Pulangi for a 21-point lead kontra dito sa Team Pioduran.
And now Ibanez will check in for Espanyol. And yeah, we're taking a look at that last play by Prinsipe. Sabi ko nga, parang bahala na kung papasok ito o hindi. Salting. Nandun si Romero, pero malakas yung tira niya. Nasa mga taga-Pioduran na ang bola. Ibanez. To Acuyado. Acuyado sidestepping. Nope. Pero nakuha ni Nota ang rebound.
3 seconds.
That's a lot of moves, causing it to for the referee to blow that whistle for that 3-second violation. Salting. Crossing over, giving it to Romero outside. Shooting it from not so distant range. Pero wala. Nasa mga taga-Pioduran lang yung bola. Pero nandun si Torres. Ang bilis! At ang mabilis din umikot. Pero mas mabilis si Nota. Dahil nasa kanya na ngayon ang bola. Cao. Balik kay Cao pa rin from Acuyado. Now Ibanez doing the work for Team Pioduran.
Buti na lang at na-shoot niya. That's too much passing on the part of Team Pioduran. Cao could have taken that shot already.
Yes, definitely. They have to preserve some energy kasi this is going to be a tall order facing this big team of Pulangi. And right now, ang portion na ito is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. Kung saan matatagpuan po ang mga brands na Eurotech, Skyworth, Devance, Devant, Hisense, Sanden, Eurotech, Camel, Chick, American Home at madami pang iba. Bumisita lamang po kayo sa pinakamalapit na branch ng Willie and Sons sa inyong mga lugar.
Uy, parang nabagsakan ng siko doon. Si Gonzales. There's a blood
Merong dugo na lumabas kay Gonzales.
sa kanyang left eye, right eye.
But I think it wasn't intentional. Talagang it happened sa basketball and it happened.
Take a look at this replay on what happened there. Ooh!
Ay, doon. While
Challenge.
while Nota is protecting that ball, timing naman na yung mukha ni Gonzales ang nando doon.
Kaya nga minsan sinasabi ko, you have to put a body, not your face. Pero in that last sequence, that's a good play on the part of Nota. Yun nga lang, talagang nabagsakan ng siko si Gonzales.
Noah is trying to protect the ball naman eh. Or Nota, rather. Ito na nga, talagang seryoso na. Lalong-lalo na itong Team Pulangi. Pero mas seryoso itong si Acuyado, making that two-pointer using the board. Ganun kabilis ang mga pangyayari. Torres for 3, wala. Na-rebound ni Venus. Nakita si Acuyado. Acuyado naman, dire-diretso. Was blocked. Pero nandun pa rin siya to save the ball for his team. Nota. Walang nowhere to go. Ito si Salting. Masyado ring nag-apura. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining and ang time check na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Inco Tools. Inco Tools, kung saan may Pilipino, nandoon din ang Inco.
But right now, we are seeing a lot of action in our ball game. And no team is giving up on every place na meron sila. But right now, Team Pulangi is sitting comfortably with a 16-point lead kontra dito sa Team Piudaran. I guess that right now, the effort of Team Piudaran on their offense is pretty good. But in their defense, they have to double it or even triple or kahit iapat pa nila para lang ma-stop especially ang transition offense ng Team Pulangi is very effective dito sa ating first half.
Oo, lalo na't nakabalik na naman si De La Cruz. Isa sa mga pinaka-premier point guard ng ating liga. Definitely Piudaran has to double it up. Sabi mo nga, pag-apatin pa yung effort nila para matapatan din itong Team Pulangi. Nota launching a 3. That's way off the mark. And he apologizes to the coaching staff. Parang hindi ko dapat itinira yun. Right now, Salting using his left. Lomberio. Yes!
Again, this is a strict shooter. You cannot afford to leave this man wide open from the 3-point line.
Ang ganda ng tapon niya na, ano? From behind the arc, talagang makikita mo pa lang sa tira niya napaka-high percentage.
Just remember, dito sa Team Pulangi, meron pa silang Adrian Silada.
Oo, wala pa yon ngayon. Ayan na, ang napakabilis na si Salting. Dire-diretso! Yes! 4-2!
Open lane yon para kay Salting. Salting acknowledges the defense and reading the defense well ng Team Piudaran that he has the lane to attack the basket.
The defense wasn't that ready for him na humaharurot. Acuyado. Diretso using the board. Yes!
That little half step of Acuyado.
Oh, maganda rin ang pinapakita ng batang ito sa larong ito. Pero kailangan, sabi mo nga, doblehin pa ang mga gandang ipinapakita. Dapat mas gandahan pa nila, kagaya ng magandang tirang yon ni De La Cruz.
And in that last sequence, the head coach of Piudaran shouting for a 1-2-2 zone. Pero yun nga, pag-shift nila, ay inatake din kaagad sila ni De La Cruz.
Ayan. Masyadong mabilis talaga mga pangyayari. Ayan na naman si Lomberio, launching another 3. Pero mas malakas yung tirang yon. Nota, trying it up once again. Almost, but not quite. Sabi nga ni Coach, Coach Kyle. And the referee is trying to decide, and they were decided. They're decided now na sa Pulangi ang bola. So coach, 56-35 na. Ano ba ang dapat gawin? Ayan, 1 second na lang. Wala na nga. Tapos na ang ating second quarter of this ball game. Sa score na 56 Pulangi and 35 naman sa Piudoran. And that's the way this second quarter ends dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Yan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik pa rin po kami ni Coach Kyle Marilla. Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog.
Back to the ball game. Piudoran versus Pulangi. The Battle of Peace sa 3rd District.
Ito nakita natin dun sa first half of our action dito sa laban ng Pulangi versus Piudoran. The early offense of Pulangi is very effective, lalong-lalo na yung fast break points opportunities nila ay kinukuha nila from downtown. Yung mga 3-pointers nila ay clicking, and that play is very pretty, yung konting backdoor play.
Yes, that one from Torres. Now it's Acuyado. To Nota. Nota. Nandun si Prinsipe. Pero nandun din si Venus para ma-intercept ang transition play na yon. That could have been a cause of another 2-pointer for Pulangi. Espano missing on that one. Balik si Mondragon sa larong ito. Acuyado.
And right now, pakonti-konti lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng Team Pulangi. And you don't want that to happen if you're Team Piudoran. So you have to make your efforts right now.
You have to do something. Just like that one. You have to do that over and over again. Ang tirang yon ni Tolosa for Piudoran. Ayun. Pero wala. Talagang no place for small guys ang shaded area. Lalo pat nandun ang RoboCop Hafer Mondragon. Acuyado. Ayan. Yan yung replay ng defensive stop na yon. Pero ito naman on the offensive end, De La Cruz making that one for Pulangi. Acuyado once again. To Venus. To Tolosa. Launching a 3. Nandun si Espano. For the rebound and putback. Wala. Ayan na naman ang fast break play ng Pulangi from Mondragon to De La Cruz.
Right now, Team Pulangi is playing 1-2-2 zone. If you are Team Piudoran, you have to capitalize the presence of Espano, giving the pass in that middle and waiting that the short corner defense will be reacting to him at mabibigyan ng drop pass, a little bit of high-low play ang Team Piudoran for an opening doon kay Odiada. Pero in that occasion, they settle to stick the ball on top. Kaya yun, hindi nila na-convert yung basket.
The meantime, nakakana ng 3-point shot itong si Mondragon. Kaya nasa mga taga-Piudoran na ngayon ang bola. And Venus wasn't aware that he was stepping on the line already. Ayan na naman ang nakaw nitong Pulangi. That's a beautiful move. Spectacular shot from Tolosa. And that one was brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Cagraray Island, Bakakay Albay. Venus. Zigzagging. Nope. Nandun si The Prinsipe. Ayun na naman ang transition offense ng Pulangi coach. Wala. Ano sa tingin mo?
Yeah, right now the coverage of the Team Piudoran in terms of the transition defense is slowly getting away from them. So, kailangan lang nila is to locate the two guards of Pulangi, which is, I mean the three guards. De Torres, De La Cruz, and Lumberio. Same problem kasi to kanina kagaya ng Team Jovellar and with the Team Ginobatan, because this is a tall and big players na like Mondragon and the other players of Team Pulangi. Yung Team Piudoran ay napipilitan to gang rebound. Everybody wants to help to get that board. Ang nangyayari, that causes the defense na mag-late sila mag-react during that transition play.
Kasi makukuha pa ng bigger guy In this case, si Mondragon. At and he is aware na mayroon na siyang kakampi na nasa unahan. And well, this portion is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. And yes, again, abangan nyo po yung karagdagang store ng Willie and Sons sa Kamalig. They have 37 stores now at with an additional of the soon to open Kamalig branch ng Willie and Sons. Nandun sa corner si Cao for that 3, wala. Prinsipe, naipasa kay Sudsod. Nota hesitating, pero tumira pa rin. And that shot was short. Ayan na naman ang transition offense ng Pulangi. De La Cruz. Ayun na nga, lobong-lobo na po ang kalamangan nitong Pulangi kontra sa Pioduran. Sod-sod. Wala yung pasang yon at ayun. Another 2-pointer for De La Cruz.
And the head coach of Team Pioduran has seen enough.
And that pass break was brought to you by Inco Tools. And once again, Inco Tools Legazpi, Naga, and Sorsogon. Meron pong 50% discount. Yes, you can avail of that 50% discount on all Inco Power Tools ngayong Ako Bicol Cup. Atin to. Ayan na yan, nag-uusap-usap ang koponan itong ni Coach Peter Encisa kung paano pa nila madadagdagan ang kalamangan. Grabe naman ano. Hindi pa talaga papipigil at hindi hihinto ang Pulangi na umusad sa larong ito.
Right now, they are leading with 35 big points already dito sa ating ball game.
And hindi na ganun ka-aggressive si Espanyo going strong to the hoop. Tumitira na lang siya from his sa mga mid-range. Andun yung battle for the rebound but mananatili po yung bola sa mga taga-Pulangi. Lomberio launching a triple from the parking lot and mas successful doon ngayon itong si De La Cruz making another 3 for Pulangi. Venus launching his own version. Wala, ito na naman ang mga taga-Pulangi. Lomberio. Sabater there.
And the offense right now of Team Pulangi overflowing dito sa ating hard court. Bukang-buka na. And right now, this is already 30-point deficit.
Kasi kahit sila yung lamang na lamang, parang sila pa yung nalalamangan. Ano ba nakain ng mga taga-Pulangi, ha? Pero nakascore doon ng mga taga-Pioduran. Lomberio giving it to De La Cruz. De La Cruz launches another 3. Short ng konti. Nandun si Robin Cao for the rebound. To Venus, pero that one was intercepted by Lomberio. And mananatili ang bola sa mga taga-Pulangi. That's a kick ball. De La Cruz to Torres. Give it right away to De La Cruz. Sabater is there. Yes! For that tall guy, Sabater. Espanyo. Wala na naman yung pasahan na yon. Ayan si Principe with Torres there facing Espanyo and using the board for that 2-pointer.
Grabe to si Austin Torres. How gutsy he is challenging the defense of Espanyo.
He's even guarding Espanyo. So score po natin 41 Piodoran 83, Pulangi. And again, this is being brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Matatagpuan po sa Cagraray Island, Bakakay, Albay. So if you want to enjoy nature, pwedeng-pwede dyan sa Misibis Bay. Lomberio to De La Cruz. Another long three. Yes! Yes for De La Cruz.
What a rainbow there for De La Cruz. And another steal.
Sabi mo, Coach, hindi na umuulan. Sabi mo, mainit na.
Yeah,
Umuulan
mainit ang kamay ng mga taga-team Pulangi.
Oo. At nagpapaulan ng tres. Yeah, we have substitution. Salting coming in. And pinalitan niya si De La Cruz sa guard position. Romero is back. Ayan naman si Sodsod. Gusto rin magpaula ng tres pero mintis yung tira niya. Sasabayan din niya ni Nota. Short din yung tirang yon. Pero nandun si Venus for the rebound, giving it to Espanyo. Yes.
Espanyo is the only man who is making this team alive for this ball game.
Matulis na, yun ang mga floater na matulis. And the ball will be for Pulangi, with Torres acting as the point guard, the court general of this team, and giving it to Salting. Salting to Laguna. Pinabanda pa kay Espanyo. And ginawang bandahan yung katawan ni Espanyo there for that two-pointer courtesy of Laguna. Itong si Espanyo, Coach, mga ilang edad na niya? He's a veteran, di ba?
Oo, mga ranging to 35 to 38, I
Ganun,
guess.
oo. Pero can still play in this level with these younger boys.
Nice move by Nota.
So we only have 1:41 sa ating third quarter action. 10 seconds to go. And this portion is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. At yan na naman si Venus ng Piodoran. Diretso for that layup. 40-point lead ang na-enjoy ngayon ng Pulangi. Torres.
Malaki, sobrang malaking
Oo.
kalamangan na to.
Mahirap habulin yan. Pero yon, kasungkit din ng steal itong si Cao. Binigay kay Sodsod ang pass break opportunity na yon. Sodsod versus Alting. Torres versus Nota. Nota. Wala sa Espanyo doon pa to challenge that shot pero he missed. Nota with that exciting reverse layup kaya lang kumalog lang sa ring. Mananatili sa kanila yung bola. Sodsod finds Cao. Cao finds Nota. Launching a three. Yes, this time. Para kay Nota. Finally making it. And that triple was brought to you by Inco Tools. Inco Tools, Legazpi, Naga, and Sorsogon. And again, avail 50% discount on all Inco Power Tools ngayong Ako Bicol Cup. What an offer there from Inco Tools. Again, 50% off po habang ongoing po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And that wraps up our third quarter of action dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Ang score po natin, 92 for Polangi, Piodoran 55. Magbabalik po kami with our fourth and final quarter dito po sa laban ng Polangi and Piodoran. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
At eto na nga, nasa fourth quarter na tayo. Ang bilis ng oras, no?
And partner pala, this is the last day of our first round sa third district. Ito yung last game na din.
So, maghihintay na lamang tayo ng mga teams kung sino-sino ang mapapasama sa second round natin.
Pero with this big lead
Oo.
of Polangi, they are sealing this game up. So they will going to have a triple tie on our standings sa third district with Libon, Polangi, and Ligao with 5 wins and 1 loss each.
So, ano kaya ang mga magiging indikasyon yan as we head on to the second round of this league? Alamin natin sa mga susunod na kabanata. Romero making his first free throw. And ang free throw na yan ay hatid sa inyo ng Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, Makakayalbay. Ayan na. Si Sabater. Wala. Odiada. To Nota. Nota stops, pops. Nope. Ayan na naman Sabater. Pero nandun si Nota, stopping him before making his move to the basket.
Team Polangi will not stop from running. They want to run, and run.
And gusto nilang mas madagdagan pa itong puntos nilang ito. As we take a look at this slow-mo, yan nga, hindi hinayaan ni Nota na makascore doon si Sabater. Pero nasa free throw line siya ngayon. Making that one, and that is another 1 point for Polangi. Sod-sod now for Piodoran. Naipasa kay Nota. Balik kay Sod-sod. Launching a triple. Nope. Agawan sa rebound. Nandun si Nota. And that's good. Ito na si Salting. Pasa kay Laguna. Laguna. Naaspatan sana sa ilalim itong si Sabater. Kaya lang medyo mahirap yon. Mahirap sa both part ng passer and the receiver.
Again, the benefit of having a big lead like this, you can sit out and rest your key players in the side of Team Pulangi. They are now resting De La Cruz, Lumberio, Mondragon. So, yan ang mga benepisyo na makukuha mo pagka meron ka ganitong kalaking kalamangan.
So sa tingin mo, Coach, at this point in time, at this long deficit, babalik pa kaya ng coach yung mga key players na yun ng Pulangi?
Maybe yes, maybe not. If they do so, they just want to get that rhythm papasok sa second round. Kasi ayaw mo naman na maging rusty ang players mo if they were going to sit off the bench for a long time. So, let's see. Pero sa mga ganitong oras din, you have to be considered to consider na malay mo may injury pa. That's very crucial thing. And that's a must thing na kailangan mong i-consider dito sa ball game na ganito. Kasi di natin alam yung mga ganyan na bagay eh. Pero we're not asking for it.
Yes, of course. But then again, injuries happen sa basketball, and yun na nga, muntik na doon si Nota challenging sa bater.
And
Umakyat sa mataas na puno itong si Nota.
halos nakaupo na siya dun sa shoulder ni ni Sabater.
By the way, this free throw is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. Avail our Flexi installment plan from 3, 6, 9 up to 12 months term, and also accepts cash with additional discounts, credit card or debit card transactions, straight payment or installment in all stores region-wide. That's for Willie and Sons.
And we have a timeout here.
So ayan, usap-usap pa din yung mga members ng Pulangi team kung ano ang mga dapat gawin upang umabot sila siguro sa score na 200. 97 na po sila ngayon. 59 naman yung kalaban, yung Piuduran. And once again, we'd like to say hello dahil last game na daw ng Team Piuduran. Nagpapabati po sa atin, or pinapabati ng Team Piuduran ang kanilang mayor na si Alan Arandia. Salamat po, Mayor. Vice Mayor Marvin Thomas Quiros and kay Eve Allen Arandia, ang kanilang sponsor. LGU Piuduran, salamat po. The people of Piuduran for supporting us, sabi po ng mga taga Piuduran.
Yeah, during that games na nilaro natin sa Ligaw, lagi silang maraming bit-bit na mga supporters all the way from Piuduran. So,
yes,
definitely they are very thankful for that support. And maganda naman yung pinakita ng Piuduran actually dito sa ating torneo. Kaso yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, talagang kinakapos lang kasi at the end of this day, at the end of every ball game, there will be a winning team and a losing team.
And the winning team will be the stronger team.
Yeah.
And isa lang ang gustong sabihin yan, that siguro sa mga susunod na tournament, particularly dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022, you have to get your team back stronger, mightier, for you to have a higher chance of making it dito sa ligang ito. Lalo pat talagang magagaling ang mga teams na sumasali po dito. We have 18 competing teams, pero as we head on to our second round, siyempre matatapyasan na yan.
6 ang matitira.
6 na lang. 2 teams kada district.
And that will be played for another single round elimination. Single round Ruben elimination.
So this is going to be much exciting. So abangan niyo po ang second round nitong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Dito po sa mga cities, municipalities ng Albay. And then abangan nyo din po kami sa iba pang mga provinces dito po sa Bicol region. Dahil hindi lang po talaga para sa Albay itong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Abangan kami sa inyong mga lugar, sa inyong mga probinsya. And that's a long one from Sodsod. Nakatingin si De La Cruz sa time clock. And by the way, that 3-point shot was brought to you by Inco. Inco, kung saan may Pilipino, nandun din ang Inco. Sabater. He was fouled while doing his reverse layup.
13 foul.
Medyo malakas yung tira niya sa unang attempt sa free throw line.
Good evening, sir.
Pero yung pangalawa, sure ball na. And nakita natin dito, nasa loob ng Daraga covered court, ang ating congressman na si Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda of 2D Albay. Yeah, he's in the house witnessing this ball game. That's a long three once again from De La Cruz. Talagang sinusubukan nila yung mga ganong range, ano?
And they're very comfortable
Oo.
on taking those shots.
Of course, sa basketball, it's just a repetition. If you keep on repeating a shot until you become comfortable, definitely magbibigay sa iyo ng magandang output yan when it comes to game time. And right now, Salting, sinusubukan si Sodsod, pero ipinasa yon kay Romero, who was called for what was that, a traveling violation?
Yes.
So we only have 4 minutes and 20 seconds po sa ating ball game. Piodoran versus Pulangi, enjoying a big 30-point lead. And yan, nandun pa rin po yung buong-buo pa rin ng team ng Piodoran in this competition with their head coach of course. As we take a look at this slow-mo
Yan yung
of that, traveling violation.
ni Ramos.
They got too excited.
Yeah, good. That was a good fake. Pero yun,
Oh.
yun yung mga plays na talaga mata-traveling ka because of the excitement.
Yes.
Na
Sometimes
fake mo yung kalaban mo.
Sometimes yung excitement, parang iniisip mo, shoot na yung ball. Hindi mo na malaya, nag-travel ka na pala. Ito na ang mga taga-Piodoran uli. Sodsod. Hesitates to pass, pero pinasa pa din. As we take a look at 2D Albay Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda in the house right now. Nandito po sa loob ng Daraga covered court, enjoying this ball game. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda. Acoyado for Piodoran to Udyada. That's a long three mula kay Tolosa, pero wala yon. Meanwhile, bumawi doon muntik na si Romero.
Grabing dupot yun.
Oo.
That was an
malalim
incredible
yun.
shot kung pumasok yun.
And Tolosa, challenged by Principe.
Kanya, yung tinatanong mo ko, partner, kung babalik ko ba si De La Cruz?
Oh.
De La Cruz is right here.
Oo.
Yun talaga gustong gawin ni Coach Peter Incisa on the side of Team Pulangi. He wants to seal this victory with De La Cruz inside to get his rhythm.
And most probably, para mas madagdagan ang score nila. With Salting launching that three, and that's good for that man who was the best player of in their last outing. Tolosa to Ojada. And that 3-point shot was brought to you by Misibis. Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Cagraray Island, Bakakay Albay.
And right now, Team Pulangi burning the clock down. And this is a blowout victory once again para sa team Pulangi. Okay, nakita natin, partner, how deep this Pulangi team is.
Jersey number 22, warning.
Very deep ang kanilang lineup. Kahit sino hugutin mo dito, definitely will give a quality minutes and production from the scoring.
Wala pa si Silada niyan, ano, sa particular game na to. Ojada. Duberetso, 4-2. Huli, sabi ni Acoyado. Pero lumuwa yung tirang yon. The Prince rebounds and gives it to Salting. Salting giving it to De La Cruz, shooting on that high or long range.
Uy, that's a hard fall. That's a hard fall on Romero.
And we can see that Romero is in pain. Pero hopefully, hindi naman maging malala yung cause ng fall na yon.
That's definitely a hard fall. You don't want to happen, especially we are under 2 minutes.
Oo. You can see the slow-mo. Oy, sumabit siya. Sumabit siya doon kay Ibanez.
Mukhang na
Yung elbow niya. He's holding on to his left elbow.
pero bumagsak pa nga yung ulo niya dun eh. Can we see that replay again? Tingnan natin ulit yung nangyari doon sa last sequence na yon. Medyo na ano yung ano niya eh, off balance, yun nga. Sakit no.
Mukhang hindi naman tumama yung ulo sa floor, but definitely yung siko niya, yung
Natukod niya eh.
naitukod niya. I think he's good. We don't have to worry a lot, lalong-lalo na yung mga kamag-anak nitong si Romero.
That's a hard fall.
Oo. That's definitely a hard fall.
Just burn some clock here, Justin.
Oo, para maiwasan na yung mga ganong collision.
The ball is on your side. I mean, this ball game is on your side already.
Oo.
And yun na nga ang ginagawa ni Justin De La Cruz, burning the clock down.
And good thing naman sa team niyang Piuderan, hindi na sila ganon mag-react.
Shot clock violation.
So it's a shot clock violation. It's okay. Pulangi is winning 105-72 under 2 minutes sa ating ball game. And this portion is being brought to you by Willie & Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. And again, abangan niyo po ang soon to open Willie & Sons Kamalig.
And right now, Justin De La Cruz is just burning the clock down with under a minute to go dito sa ating ball game. Again, Pulangi sealing this victory and a big time win kontra dito sa team Pulangi. Now, they got what they want to have a triple tie in our standing together with Libon and team Ligao.
There you go. That's Tolosa. And ito na naman yung ball possession para sa Pulangi. Papadakdakin itong sa Sabater. But he was fouled. Talagang hindi man lang pinagbigyan ni Ojada. So De La Cruz or Sabater will be throwing.
Again, thank you very
Freely.
much for the team Piuderan. This will be their last game dito sa Ako Bicol Cup and they're going to go out sa ating torneo with a fashion.
Oo.
Siyempre, they got a few games na very good and excellent sila, pero yun nga lang kinakapos. Pero definitely that first game kontra sa team Ginubatan where nag-fall sila on that last quarter kaya nakuha nila yung unang pagkatalo, pero nag-bounce back din naman sila with that win kontra sa team Covellar. So again, nothing to be ashamed of on the part of Team Piudaran. They put up all the good works and effort, and let's see sa next season if they're going to improve and a better standing for them.
Yes. And yan ang mga aabangan natin. So once again, congratulations sa winning team, which is Pulangi kontra Piudaran. Who made a decent fight against the stronger team. Alright, Pulangi 106 ang ating final score and 76 naman po para sa Piudaran. And our player, kasurog player of the game is
Justin De La Cruz with another big time scoring with 30 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, and 4 steals. Again, sealing this victory is Team Pulangi. And let's just wait for the final 2 teams that will advance to the semifinals in terms of talking about the 3rd district.
yan. Alamin na lang natin po kung sino yung mga teams na mapupunta nga sa ating second round. So maraming salamat po for watching as we take a look at some replays ng nakaraang action dito po sa labanan ng Pulangi at ng Piudaran. This has been yours truly, Kapak Morgan, saying bye-bye for now. And Coach Kyle, meron ka bang mga parting words?
Yeah, definitely another Saturday special. Pero bukas, abangan din natin ang action sa 1st and 2nd district. Dito pa rin yan sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
And that wraps up our Day 13 Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Maraming salamat po. Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Pangbahay ay alam mo na kung saan katapat na pumunta sa ko lang yan sa ko ang katuwang sa pagkumpone sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi sa tahanan ng opisina ang maaasahan mo ay ko